I'm going to show you how to download the SweetHome3D and then how to install it also. So you need to go to your browser and type here SweetHome3D. After you click the first option, this one comes. You need to click here and you can see your two things coming, download and online. Yes, you can see downloads and online. You need to click on downloads here, this blue color thing. It will take some time, it depends on the internet how it's downloading. After you finish this, here it will appear and on the background it is downloading. Once you finish downloading, once your download is done, it will come in your My Computer or desktop, wherever you have saved it. So it will come like this thing, okay? You need to double click it. Once you double click, it will ask you yes or no. Do you want to allow or yes or no? You need to click on yes and then it will tell you select the language. You need to click English and say okay. And then the next steps are you need to click on next. I accept the agreement. Next, next, next and install. It will take some time again. Yeah, after you finish, you need to say finish, and then your SweetHome3D will open like this. If it does not open also, do not worry. You will get a symbol like this one, SweetHome3D. You double click on it and it will open. It's simple. Okay. Now here it's the same manner. You need to create walls. You need to click on this. Click once. These lines are for your guidelines. Okay. Click once, drag, then leave your mouse and drag it. Click, leave your mouse. Again, when you come here, you can see lines are coming. It will give you click, and then to join the walls, double click. Done. So your room is ready. When you come down, you need to click on the left mouse button, keep on pressing and rotate your mouse so you can rotate your room. Okay, I'll go in here. You can see here small buttons are there. If you click on the plus here, plus, all the things are coming. So I'm going to keep an armchair here. As soon as I keep the armchair here, you will find the armchair here. You can make it big. You can rotate it. This is your rotate tool. You can rotate how you want the chair to be. See, it's rotating here. Here it's easy to check. Here I'm rotating it. Yes, then you can move it up, down. Here you can move it forward. Where do you want it? This one. This one, armchair. Then, for example, I want the bookcase. So here you go, the bookcase and the armchair. You can even rotate it with this tool and make the chair like this. Yeah, and then do not forget to file, save as, write your name. Where do you want to save? Desktop. Write your name like my Mridhu Chandra's house or Mridhu Chandra's bedroom and save it. It will be saved in your desktop. Wherever you say file, save as, and then select where you want, click it desktop and save it. Write your file name and save it. And next time in the class you can show me.